Welcome to this tutorial on how to create your own cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies have become increasingly popular over the years, with Bitcoin being the most famous one. However, it's not just Bitcoin that you can invest in. You can create your own cryptocurrency and reap the rewards of your own creation. In this video, we will show you how to create your own cryptocurrency in easy steps. Step 1. Define your cryptocurrency. Before you start creating your own cryptocurrency, you need to define what it is you want to create. This means determining what problem you want to solve or what niche you want to cater to. It could be a faster, more secure, or more private cryptocurrency. It could also be a cryptocurrency that is designed for a specific industry, such as e-commerce, gaming, or finance. Defining your cryptocurrency's purpose will guide you in determining its features, functions, and specifications. Step 2. Choose your platform. There are several platforms you can use to create your own cryptocurrency. These include Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. However, the most popular platform for creating your own cryptocurrency is Ethereum. This is because it has a robust infrastructure, smart contracts, and a large developer community. It also has a user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to use. Step 3. Create a token. To create your own cryptocurrency, you need to create a token. A token is a digital asset that represents ownership or access to a particular product or service. You can create a token using Ethereum's ERC-20 standard. This standard defines the rules for creating a token, including its name, symbol, decimal places, and total supply. You can also set up your token to be transferable or non-transferable. Step 4. Code your cryptocurrency. Once you have created your token, you need to code your cryptocurrency. This involves writing a smart contract, which is a self-executing contract with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. You can use Solidity, a programming language specifically designed for Ethereum, to code your cryptocurrency. Solidity is similar to JavaScript and is easy to learn. Step 5. Test your cryptocurrency. Before you release your cryptocurrency, you need to test it thoroughly. This involves checking for bugs, vulnerabilities, and other issues that may affect its functionality and security. You can test your cryptocurrency using tools like Truffle, Remix, and Ganache. These tools simulate real-world scenarios and help you identify any problems before your cryptocurrency goes live. Step 6. Launch your cryptocurrency. Once you have tested your cryptocurrency, you can launch it on a decentralized exchange, DEX, or a centralized exchange, CEX. A DEX allows you to trade your cryptocurrency directly with other users, while a CEX is a platform where buyers and sellers can trade cryptocurrencies for fiat currencies. You can also list your cryptocurrency on various cryptocurrency tracking sites to increase its visibility and marketability. Conclusion. Creating your own cryptocurrency is not as difficult as it seems. With the right tools and resources, you can create your own cryptocurrency and join the ranks of successful cryptocurrency creators. Just remember to define your cryptocurrency's purpose, choose the right platform, create a token, code your cryptocurrency, test it thoroughly, and launch it on a DEX or CEX. I think it's enough for today's video. I hope you gained some knowledge. If you gained some knowledge, then make sure to hit like and subscribe button. We will see you in next video. Thanks for watching.